Hi, it's Mimi Pani once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel on Mimi's Cooking. For today, we are going to cook eggplant lasagna.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking.
Here is our ingredients for eggplant lasagna. Of course, eggplant, tomato, the ground beef, the pine nuts, the parsley, the chopped onion, and chopped garlic, and the mozzarella, of course, salt, black pepper, and ginger powder. So we have to start first to slice the eggplant. Doesn't matter if you peel off or not, it's fine. Just slice all the eggplant. And we have to peel off also our tomato. And after peel off, we have to slice into cubes. After peeling off the tomato, we have to fry the pine nuts to make it brown and then set aside. Okay, set aside the pine nuts. At the same time, you can use your oil to cook the onion and the garlic. Just stir fry. Then add your garlic. Then add your ground beef. Then mix it well. Just mixed and mixed. Just mix it well. Then cover sometimes to let it cook. Yes, cover it. So it's about to open and mix it well again. As you can see, it's changed the color. So add your tomato and mix it again. Cover again. Then mix and put your salt, black pepper, ginger, and garlic powder. Then add your tomato paste. Then your pine nuts. Just set aside some half of pine nuts for later. Pine nuts and parsley, then set aside. So we have to start to fry the eggplant. Until it's brown, then set aside again until it will finish your eggplant. While you are frying your eggplant, you prepare your Pyrex or some baking pan. Well, you don't need to overcook or over fry the eggplant because it will cook this in the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, then sometimes brush some olive oil so it will not get dry. So this is our first layer, our eggplant. So we're still frying some eggplant until brown. As you can see, I make only my eggplant to make it brown, but not overcook. So we're almost done for frying our eggplant. So we have to prepare our first layer. This is it, the eggplant. Then we have to put our ground beef mixture. You just arrange it well. Then add some sliced tomato. And spread some mozzarella cheese. Or if you want more sauce, you can add more bechamel sauce. Doesn't matter, or if you don't like bechamel sauce, you just put cheese. It's creamy already. Then at the last layer, your remaining eggplant. Just filing on the top. Then spread some mozzarella cheese again. Then cover with aluminum foil and bake in the oven for 45 minutes. So this is it after 45 minutes. Look how it's delicious and very melted cheese. Oh, for those who loves cheese, oh, this is your favorite. Thank you guys and have a good day. I hope you like it.